How to delete YouTube channel permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To delete a YouTube channel permanently, start off by launching your YouTube application in your device. At the top, click on the three horizontal line. From here, you need to scroll down until you find the option of YouTube Studio and click on it. Now over here, you need to head over and check out Settings. In the Settings, you can tap on the option of Channel. Here you will find the option of Advanced Setting, click on it. Then, scroll down and tap on Remove YouTube Content. Before you go ahead and decide on permanently deleting your account, you need to confirm your password and your account. After you enter your password, you will have a confirmation prompt to which you can tap on Delete. After that, you'll be able to permanently delete your YouTube channel. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.